Hi, I'm Amber from WTI, and I love dresses, and I love dresses from Amazon, and this one is no different. This dress is so comfortable. It is nylon and spandex, so it's really stretchy. It creates a really nice silhouette. The A-line frame, it really hugs the body in all the right places and does not hug in the wrong places. It is very comfortable. I love that the neckline is high. I have a very hard time finding necklines that don't show off my chest. So I love that this one goes all the way up to my neck, and I can wear a variety of different necklaces with it, from chunky, bold statement necklaces to delicate and dainty necklaces. I love how the structure of this dress goes just below my knee. It is so beautiful, especially when you pair it with heels. And I feel very safe in this dress that if a big gust of wind comes, it doesn't go flying up that I have to worry about showing the world my underpants. So I feel very safe wearing it, and it's just a really great dress for every occasion. I pretty much want one in every color, and I've had to stop myself from buying one in every color because it's just such a nice dress and I'm really impressed with it. And that's my point of view.